everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. Let me show you one of the supplements I've been taking for many years, and it is collagen. I love taking collagen with my smoothies, with my coffee, or just with water. I know it has so many benefits. I personally have seen them. I see how my hair looks healthier, how my nails are stronger, and definitely my skin looks way better and feels better. I've been taking this total body collagen and I've been loving it because this is unflavored, so it's not going to alter the flavor of any of your meals, smoothies, or drinks. I also like the fact that it blends very well with anything. Again, I love putting it in my blender with my smoothie and frothing it with my milk. I really love this company because it provides grass-fed collagen. It has the type 1 and type 3, and it even includes L-glutamine and biotin to this collagen supplement. This is super complete. I've seen the benefits of it. I love using this, and that is my point of view.